Look at the brown, that's it. Nailed that. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a French onion cheddar smash burger. Turn it on at 7, nice and hot. We're also gonna toast the bun on this one. So let's turn this on. Just a minute, we're gonna do this one on a 6, but we're gonna give it just a minute because I'm gonna flash toast these on that butter. Takes about 30 seconds. So that's heating up. I already got my burger patted out and ready to go right here. And I got fresh homemade French onion dip, fresh grated cheddar cheese. And this is a ground beef 80/20 from All Prime. And that's regular salted butter and a nice brioche bun. Great thing about smash burgers is they cook so fast. And once again, my smasher is this big, so it won't smash a burger on my smaller iron skillets. So everybody has a smasher. It's this pot right here. You all got this pot. It'll smash a smash burger. Excellent. I just decided this is gonna be a double since these are very small. All right, she's on there. As you can see right here, I'm smashing it 2 or 3 times just to make sure I get it down flat enough. Now you can just smash it one good hard time and hold it, and sometimes it helps to hold it for about 10 seconds. Really get a good sear on that first side. These do not get salted or peppered yet, so they're getting it right now. In just about 60 seconds, we're gonna see these holes open up and bubbles come through them. I already see steam coming through them. This is a perfect looking smash burger right now. So I'm gonna flip this, put some cheese on this one, cook it, and then pull it off, and then cook the other one, put the rest of the cheese on it, and brown these, double it up, and be ready to go. Of course, it's gonna get the French onion dip on there. Look, there we go, 60 seconds. Not even been 60 seconds, I see the bubbles coming up. These holes, you see that's bubbles coming up through there? That's already cooked. Even the top side is getting cooked. When you're smash burgering, it's a good idea to have a nice flipper like this, one that's kind of wedged and sharp, because you got to get up underneath there because that's going to be stuck. And always, when you're doing a smash burger, if you have cast iron, works the best. If you have regular skillets, if it's heavy duty, that'll work really good too. But smash it, cook it hot, and make sure you have an 80/20 ground beef. You got to have some fat in there. You want that fat searing, you want that beef searing, and you want it bubbling, and you want it cooking super fast. That's where you're going to get your flavor from. Oh, look at this. Look at the brown crust on that. That brown all the way to dark brown and black is where the flavor is on a smash burger. We're going to cut that down just about to 6.5. And it's only going to take a few seconds on this side, maybe 30 seconds. Because it was already cooked all the way through just about. So we're just basically browning the other side of this. Patty number 2. Let's smash it. You know, really lay into these things and get them thin too. Don't be bashful. Don't be bashful at all. Slam those things. There's some nice butter melting over here. It's not going to take very long to get that ready. I'm going to watch all this at once. I know, you know, it's not a lot of cheddar cheese because I was only going to do 1 patty. Now I decided to do 2. So we're just going to up the ante just a little bit on there. Get this on here now. Oh, she's cooking good now. The holes are coming up. They're turning brown and bubbly. We're getting there. Look at. I'm gonna tell you. Oh, look at this. Look at the brown crust on that. Look at that. It's gonna take a few seconds over there. Watch this one. Watch this one. That one's done. Normally I would steam these, but I'm not steaming them. I'm browning the bun. Look at that. Look how nice and brown that is. Right on top of there. All right, we're gonna put some of the and there it is. Cheddar, French onion, cheddar cheese smash burger. So you know nothing really matters but the taste. Oh my gosh, nailed that one. Oh man, the French onion dip on the bottom of that just makes that sandwich so good. And all the patties are crispy, still just juicy and runny. Perfect amount of cheddar cheese. Don't want to overdo the cheddar. I know. You're saying, me not overdo cheese? Well, sometimes cheddar can overpower. I mean, you got to get it just right, the right amount of balance. Boy, that's good. That's perfect. And I got fresh homemade French onion dip, fresh grated cheddar cheese. And this is a ground beef 80/20 from All Prime. That's regular salted butter and a nice brioche bun. And there you have it, you guys. An explosively delicious smash burger made in about 4 to 5 minutes. You know, even with a little bit of prep time, you still got about 8 minutes here, and that's it. I mean, not hardly any prep time at all. And all that stuff you can find in your house, in your refrigerator, and in your pantry. So take the time to do the smash burger correctly, and you will be rewarded in your mouth. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this one. Check out all my other recipes and great food over on Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes. I'm Summertime Kev. I was in Poppy's Kitchen. I'll see you guys on the next one.